The phrase fabric of the cosmos can refer to a few different things, but it generally refers to the fundamental structure of the universe, including space, time, matter, and energy. It's a metaphorical way of describing the underlying reality that everything in the universe is made of. Here are some of the different ways that the fabric of the cosmos can be interpreted. Some people believe that the universe is actually made of some kind of fabric-like material, such as space-time. This is a very literal interpretation of the phrase, and it is not supported by mainstream science. Most people who use the phrase fabric of the cosmos are using it metaphorically. They are saying that the universe is like a fabric in the sense that it is interconnected and complex. Just as a fabric is made up of many threads that are woven together, the universe is made up of many different parts that are all interconnected. Some people use the phrase fabric of the cosmos to talk about the nature of reality itself. They are asking questions about what the universe is made of and what it means to exist. The fabric of the cosmos is a vast and mysterious concept, and there's no one answer to the question of what it is or what it means. However, it is a powerful metaphor that can help us to think about the universe in new and interesting ways.